Hey, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we are going to do my planning for the week in my A5 binder. Sorry, I have not done a voiceover in a very long time, but we are using this gorgeous kit from DEK Designs. I will have links to everything in the description. Apologies if you hear a small child. My son Amron has decided to join me for this voiceover, so we might have a special guest, but look at how gorgeous this kit is. It's so beautiful and it's so full. So you'll see after I'm done, there is still plenty of stickers left over to plan with, and it's just such an easy way to plan, like without editing. This really only took me about 20 minutes. So if you're looking for a good subscription or just a good place to buy stickers, I highly recommend DEK Designs. They're one of my favorites. Okay, so my planner is basically my second brain. It's very full, it's very stuffed with random things at all times, but that's just the nature of my life, having 3 kids, a job, and being in school. So that's my monthly, and these are just some notes pages that I had. We're gonna start off putting down our washi tape. You'll see that I adjust like the view quite a bit because I'm still trying to get used to planning with my phone. The lighting just seems so out of whack to me. It was so frustrating, but it's getting better, okay? So the first thing I usually do is put down some washi tape, and when I get the washi tape down, then I kind of build on the page from there. So that's what you'll see. I accidentally cut out that top section, so I just put my habit tracker, my gratitude tracker, and my top 3 things that I need to get done this week. So that's what that top section is usually for on my planner. And then you'll see me kind of moving this around because I didn't leave enough space for a header, and it's really not necessary. I mean, I know what I'm using that little section for, but it's just nice to have. And like I said, this kit is like super full, so why not take advantage of all those stickers? The next thing that we're going to do is put down our weekly stickers, like the Monday through Sunday stickers, and those just take a little bit of time. I'm moving that one down just a little bit because that gratitude tracker sticker is kind of taking up a lot of space. But anyways, I am going to try to start doing more voiceovers. Just in reviewing the channels that I like to watch, they are usually the ones that have voiceovers, just because I like somebody walking me through their process, I guess. So if you like voiceovers, if you don't like voiceovers, be sure to leave a comment. Let me know how you feel. Are you for it? Are you against it? What have you? We're still continuing with putting our dates down. This part I kind of tried to speed through just because it's one of those things that it takes a minute, and you guys get it. You know what we're doing. Okay, so the next part we're gonna do our date dots. These are super cute. They're little hearts, and I just go through and throw those all down so that every single day has the dates. You would be surprised how often I forget to do that. Then under the dates, I put those little 3-box checklists. They have the little ribbons instead of like a heart or a checklist, which is super cute. And then down the middle, I usually add another section for a list, which is like a to-do list, because you would be surprised how quickly I run out of space in this planner. I'm kind of considering going to a vertical planner. I'm not quite sure yet, but I noticed that in this horizontal planner, I don't know if it's because I'm adding too many decorations, but I am running out of space like often. So I always include like a little tip in to-do list because I'm gonna need it. Like, I know eventually, sometime down the line, I'm gonna need it. But usually having two major to-do lists, like a top three and then extra stuff, is should be sufficient. During the weekday, I kind of have a lot to do, so that's why we have a little bit more space. So that's where these, sorry, my little one, that's where these checklists come in. There's kind of more than three, so they're a little bit more helpful in that area. And so I have a little bit more space to kind of add all the things that I need to do during the week. And then, as you can see, that on the Thursday, I didn't really have enough space. So I'm going to go back in and include that checklist, but I'm just going to cut it down a little bit just so that it'll fit in that smaller space, because for whatever reason, I decided to put the weekend sticker like right smack in the middle of the page. So I left myself a little bit less space than normal. Okay, and then I'm going to just cut that little bit of excess off with my little sticker cutter thing that I got from Printpression, I believe. And those are the tweezers that I got from Printpression. It took me a little bit of time to get used to using them, but I really do enjoy them now that I've gotten used to it. They're very precise. The grip is very strong, so I highly recommend if you are like me and you get your nails done often, so you end up needing to use tweezers. Those are really good tweezers. All right, so I'm just, and I always like try not to cut super deep, so I end up struggling to pull it off, pull the sticker off. Okay, so that's what we're looking at so far. I'm gonna go in and add some glitter headers. There's no reason for those. They're just very, very pretty and I love them. So I just go in and add those. Sorry, that is my son in the background. He is having a good little time. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in and put a couple of decorative full boxes. This purple color, the lavender, the light pink, they're all so pretty. This week on Friday, I'm actually going out with my daughter for a little Valentine's Day date. So you'll see in the next video that I'm planning for that, and I'm really excited about that because I'm gonna do set up my journal for the week. So stay tuned for that video. Sundays is usually my rest day, so, or Saturday and Sunday really, but Sunday for sure. So I use this really pretty like pajama sticker. I don't know. And then I've been trying to force myself to use these scallop headers. I'm not really a fan of them, but I always end up left with these, so I'm trying to make myself use them. They look cute. I feel like they add a little something extra, so I'm getting used to them. It's just I didn't know what they were for, so I just would never use them. And then I'm just going and adding in like a little half box in the places that I don't really have anything. And I usually use those as like a highlight of the day, something to remember, something that I didn't get done that day that needs to be transferred to the next day or maybe the next week or whatever. I use it for that. Okay, and then we're almost done with this entire spread. I really love how this came out. So I did end up needing to trim off that washi tape off of the top. So that's pretty much what we're gonna do. I'm using a sticker book and just kind of running that trimmer along that line, and it's really simple and really easy to use. I actually couldn't find my scissors, which is normally what I would use. Okay, and we are pretty much done. I love how this kit turned out. It's so pretty, so girly and comfy, cozy kind of style. I'm just gonna go add in a couple of deco stickers, not too many because I feel like the kit is already very, very full. Um, so I did add in a couple of those flowers and little accents that'll just kind of fill up the page, the little blank spots. And that's pretty much it. After that, like I kind of leave it be because it is going to get very, very full over the course of the week. Now I'm putting it back inside the binder and it looks so good. Even though it's like silver and gold, I think it looks phenomenal. Let me know what you guys think. Stay tuned for my journal with me video. Those are actually usually very short because I don't do a lot of decorating in my journal. I do more writing, but it's still very cute. And I have an Isosceles kit I can't wait to show you. So stay tuned. Bye.